I'll be teaching lesson 12.1, which is on parabolas. The definition of a parabola is the set of all points on the plane of L and F equal distant from F and L. The F is the focus, and the L is the directrix. A parabola is either able to open up, down, left, or right. To open up, the x squared is positive. Down is x squared is negative. To know if an equation will be a parabola, the x needs to be an exponent. A parabola has infinite x values as the parabola continues to go up and gets bigger as the x values get bigger. It has one minimum y value, and it is the vertex. The vertex is chosen by the b in x squared plus b equals y, the equation for a parabola. The vertex is the lowest point on the graph. The axis of symmetry is the line that goes through the vertex and cuts the graph in half, allowing it to be symmetrical on each side, which allows it to be reflected. Now we will look at a simple equation for a parabola. This is the parabola I have, and the definition of a parabola is PF equals PQ. We will put this graph into the distance formula. Square root x minus 0 squared plus y minus 2 squared. This equals the square root of x minus x squared plus y minus negative 2 squared. Next, you want to square both sides to get x squared plus y minus 2 squared equals y plus 2 squared. Next, you're going to want to expand the equation and get x squared plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 is equal to y squared plus 4y plus 4. Next, you are going to want to add negative y squared and negative 4 to both sides to end up with x squared minus 4y equals 4y. You want to add 4y to both sides and get x squared equals 8y, and y to get 1/8 x squared. To check if this equation is correct, you're going to want to do a of f equals the square root of 12 parentheses 12 minus 0 squared plus 18 minus 2 squared. After you solve this, you should end up with square root of 12 squared plus 16 squared. Square both of them, and you should get the square root of 400. The square root of 400 is 20. And the distance from A to Y equals negative 2 is the distance from 1218 to 12 negative 2, which is 20.